People always keep making innovations in the world of aviation by using modern technology. Hexacopters are one of the best examples, and if you're looking for one, then these are some of the best in the business. The DJI Spreading Wings S900 Hexacopters arms and landing gear are made of sturdy carbon fiber. Thus, it helps to reduce the weight and increase the stability and strength. AS150 spark-proof plug is used to prevent the short circuits. The Hexacopter uses a 6S 1200 mAh battery, and it can fly for up to 18 minutes. DJI's Zen Muse camera gimbals are known for their stability, providing smooth footage capture in even the most difficult conditions. The Pathfinder comes with an inbuilt camera for live streaming videos as well as still pictures. It has got 6 motors and blades which give the speed and stability you need while taking video. The Pathfinder can perform 3-dimensional flips and barrel rolls at the touch of a button. Also, it has 2 speed modes, fast and slow. Another unique specialty with the Pathfinder is that it has built-in LED light strips for awesome nighttime flying. The Typhoon H provides excellent aerial photography and videography platform within a compact size. The 5-rotor flight feature allows the Typhoon H to make safe landings in case of motor failure. Typhoon H offers flight durations up to 25 minutes while filming with the CG03 Plus 4K UHD camera. The Android-powered ST16 ground station features a 7-inch touchscreen that displays live footage of your flight in HD 720p resolution. It is equipped with a redundant wireless signal for more security. This video was about the best hexacopters in the business, and if you liked it, then hit the like button. Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss another video from us.